day! Dito tayo sa Green Hills branch. Pero mag-shoot muna tayo with the Bello team ng mga content. So, gusto ata ko pasayawin yun.
Linear dimension na Ikigai.
Gusto niyo yung ginawa kong computer shop? Hi! Hello! Ay, hello. Ginawa kong computer shop. Ay, okay. Hindi ko lang. Okay, next natin. Picture taking. Hi guys, I'm done with my 4 treatment. So we did Glycopil, Power Peel, Advalite, and exosomes. So hindi naman ako madalas pumupunta sa Bello, pero pag may time ako, tinutodo ko na. Minsan nga may mga kasama pa yan sa tiyan. So I'm just really grateful that I'm still part of the Bello family. So ang ginawa rin namin ni Angelic ay nag-shoot na rin kami ng content kasi wala namang libre sa mundong to. Hindi naman pwedeng in-invite ka lang dito. Dapat meron din yung return. Diba? But anyway, thank you so much Dr. Bello and Doc Hayden. I'm really happy. Especially kasi pinatry nila sa akin yung Ultera Prime. And ang dami nagsasabi sa akin na nagkaka-jawline na ako. Syempre, part pa rin naman nun is yung ginagawa nating workout. Nag-F45 tayo, yung HIIT workout natin. Pero nakatulong ang Bello, promise. Anyway, I'm also using my new camera. This one. So, ang saya kasi nakukunik ko yung mic ko sa DJI Osmo Action 6 camera natin. Ang saya. So, ang liit na lang niya. Diba? Anyway, I'm just finishing some December deadlines while waiting for Angelic. I think papatreatment pa siya sa baba. Hi guys! We're now here in Mega Mall. Medyo nakamask ako ngayon. Either butas-butas kasi mukha ko from Bello or wala na akong mukhang ihaharap kasi ang baba nung rating ko sa Mega Mall this Christmas. Hanapin nyo na lang sa TikTok ko. Wow! Alam mo ang masaya dito sa mga mall pag Pasko, may kita may mga bagets na kakagaling ng Christmas party at isang grupo sila na nakabihis talaga. Anyway, papa-alter muna ako ng mga pants ko. Dito tayo sa Alter Station. Hello! Okay, ito yung mga pants na papa-alter natin. At binaon ko na rin tong favorite shoes ko para makita natin yung totoong height. Saan ko nga ba nabili ito? Parang sa Korea ata. Ito yung second pants natin. This is from Victor. Actually, okay lang pala yung height niya. Wait lang, parang happy pa ako dito. Ang gulo. Okay, papabawasan natin ng sobrang onte. Itong pants na to sobrang haba, kaya hina-high-waist ko siyang ganun. So, naiipit dito. Hindi kasi ako 6-footer eh. Last pair. Tagal ko na ito hindi nasusuot to. This is from Anderson Bell sa Korea. Ganda. Black lang siya pero may ganun, no? Guys, we're here at Latitude. Quick coffee break kasi mahaba-haba pa ang araw. Although, anong oras na? 6? I got the Pilar, which is cinnamon oat milk. Sarap. Ito yung gusto kong taste ng cinnamon. May pagka-horchata vibes siya. Horchata vibes or chai? Anyway, andito ako kasi kailangan muna namin sumaglit at i-check yung mga bibigyan ng regalo, mga kailangan i-accomplish kasi for the next 2 days, tomorrow may Christmas party tayo tapos the next day ay birthday ng tatay ko at joint birthday celebration ni Maya, yung anak ni Ate Chiki. And then meron din kaming meeting with our wedding planner tsaka event stylist. So baka bilhin na rin natin sa'yo ng Christmas gift. Tapos meron din tayong Christmas party afternoon. So 3 pa lang events natin ng Saturday. Ano ba nangyari?
Tour.
Yay! My baby will buy my Christmas gift. Ang request ko sa kanya ay whey protein kasi wala na ako whey protein. Meron po kayong vanilla?
Yan lang sir yung available na flavor.
Okay. Okay talaga. Kaya ko ba yun? Hindi ako mahilig sa chocolate
Meron kami vanilla sir, sa Trabayo po brand.
Pero ibang brand. Ito.
Baka pimpulin ako. Should I try the chocolate? Or just give me the small one
Bakit
so I can try.
may small ba na chocolate?
Ito yung usually ko.
Sige. And then let's buy a small vanilla na lang packet. So you can try both.
Thank you, love.
Sure. Hindi, pag may vanilla, kuha ba tayo?
Yun.
May si mas.
Yay!
Merry
Thank you, love.
Slow.
Thank you for the gift.
Meron pa. Pag may vanilla na.
Guys, hindi pa natatry ni Angelique yung Becky's Food for the Gods. Parang pag Christmas, yun yung laging staple sa bahay namin. Magkano po ulit? Yay! Kunin ko na to?
Sige po, plastic po natin.
Sige pa. Try natin. Ay, madam ko ka. Sige na. Guys, hindi pa daw natatry ni ate, kaya hindi niya ma-recommend kasi hindi niya pa daw natatry.
Bigyan na natin si ate.
Ate, sige na. Mag-taste test tayo.
Thank you.
At cheers tayo.
Yun.
Parang very Pasko. Sarap ng mga
Pala no? Ay,
sarap ng nuts.
ba't parang nag-sleep siya?
Hello. Mga batchmate. Ay, thank you po ate. Merry Christmas. Nice to see you. Shut up! Guys, we're back in the condo. Grabe, anong oras na, te? What a long day. What the heck?
Wow.
Wow, ang ganda ng ball. Doon pala na-impress.
Baliw.
Oh, this is from my manager. Let's read it. Dear David,
Ow.
happy holidays. We're always and forever grateful that you came into our lives and trusted us.
my God.
We gained an amazing person and genuine friend in you. Your passion, dedication, hard work, and perseverance
Para bang graduation?
show every day, and you continuously inspire us. I hope and pray that you achieve all of your life's dreams and heart's desires, because you deserve all the good, all the beautiful. May 2026 bring you... May...
May 2026.
Oh my gosh!
The heck?
Why so specific? May 2026, hindi pala ako pwede maging host.
May 2026.
Oh my gosh! Hindi na ako marunong magbasa. Kaya, Pat, ayusin masulat mo. Joke. May 2026 bring you immense happiness, blessings, love, and warmth. We will always, always be here for you. We love you lots. Thank you so much, Pat, and my co-star family.
Wow, I love the paper bag.
Oh my gosh, is this my first ever Loro Piana piece?
Yeah, it is. Let's keep the paper bag. It's so pretty.
Oh!
Wow.
Ito pala packaging nun?
Sa kanila yung bag na parang clutch.
Talaga. It's a contract.
Akakainis!
Ooh! Ano ba meron sa Loro
Maybe
Piano?
the top.
Sinira, no?
Wow!
Wow! So siya, wow!
Wow! Is that cashmere?
Oh, is this my first ever cashmere? Ang ganda ng green.
Wow.
Ay, nasan yung logo ng Loro Piano? Gusto ko yun. Oh, very old money. Sobrang
Alam mo
subtle.
yung parang mga polo sa winter, ganun. Why is it giving grand?
Granny with the full bangs.
Check it if
Check the price.
Hindi, if
Check the price.
cashmere na or wool.
Polyester.
Kano
ito,
na
ito.
yan?
100% cashmere.
Ah, bongga!
Okay, hindi ko muna gagalawin to kasi
Huwag mo ipapalaundry.
bebenta ko na lang sa carousel.
Ala,
Joke.
so nice.
Oh, will this keep me warm?
Yeah. It's a very luxe fabric. Right.
Take me as you are. Wow.
So nice.
And that's how to end our day. Guys, we are done with our workout and dumating na in-order kong kombucha which I need to refrigerate. Birthday kasi ni Papa bukas. Ito yung lagi niyang request sa akin, kombucha. Anyway, we also got a gift from Ray Hermar. Wow, sino si Ray Hermar? Maybe it's a new creator.
Baliw.
Wow, RG. David, thank you for your support for Tapies this 2025. Hope you can use this in one of your travels. Happy holidays.
Holidays.
Holidays. Ano kaya to? Hey! I love Other Error. So, grabe naman si Ray. Nag-fly pa siya to Korea para lang bilhin to. Tapos umuwi na siya agad. Thank you, Ray. Sweet mo talaga. Ah, I think it's a bag. Cute. Thank you, Ray. Wow. It's the classic Other Error na blue na scarf.
Wow.
I think this is a sign na mag-Japan uli.
Pangalawang scarf mo na yan. Cute.
Ah.
Tingnan may likod. It's lighter blue.
Oh, I like this.
Wow.
Because, ako naman, hindi ako mahilig yung mga scarf na sumisigaw ng mga LV. Ay, pause pala ako. Thank you, Ray. Other! Okay, kakauwi ko lang po from school. Hi guys, we have a Christmas party today with my friends. Ito ang ambag ko, Tanqueray. Parang sarap. Ano kasi ako, gin and tonic boy ako. So we got Tanqueray. Ano tawag dito? Sevilla. This one. And the dry gin. And we're also preparing our gifts. Pero mag-perfume tayo. This is my favorite holiday scent. Itong from Jo Malone. Sandalwood and Spiced Apricot. Ito rin talaga yung holiday scent nila this year. So, nag-ready kami ng mga Vicks, Salon Pass, Deflam, Protein Bar, tsaka may mga GCs dyan ng Uniqlo. Guys, bakit yung mga plato dito sa Nonos ay nasa gilid? Modus ba to? At kanina merong nakabasag ng plato. So, good job guys, nag-work. Anyway, tonight's our Christmas party but we're having pre-dinner before we meet up with our friends dito sa Nonos. We have some fries. Smile na ako pero pagod na ako. Pero I'm so happy kasi yung mga deadlines ko na dapat due pa siya in 3 days ay natapos ko na kanina. So, trying the open gate.
May mga dogs ba kayo sa bahay?
Wala.
Maliit kasi.
For
Bawal.
adoption daw?
Yung lahi nila was a cattle dog. Cattle dog.
Oh, guys, sila pala nag-rescue ng mga cats tsaka mga dogs. Guys, ang cool sila pala nag-rescue. At nasa isang ano lang sila, nasa isang cart. Ooh, so, check niyo yung account nila. Ano? Dog?
GC Cats.
Yeah. Ito naman ang mga fits. Eh. Guys, nakakatawa kasi ang celebration namin this year ay nasa isang, ano tawag doon? Golf. Ano tawag doon? Kasi ako nag-golf eh. Golf zone? I don't know. But let's see our friends. Oh. Wow. Sino nandito? Ay, may Christmas party din dun, no? Ay! Ay! Wow! Wow, andito pala yung caddy. Wow! Di ba yung sinasabi? Good shot.
Ay, wag mo binigay
Wow!
pa.
Gusto lang makita ni Carlo yung sarili niya. The newlyweds!
Hindi ko alam.
Congrats! Congrats! Grabe! Pasabog!
Thank you.
Babe, ang ganda yan ah. Guys, 6 lang yung kanin. Paano ba yan? Eh, first dibs. Okay, cheers!
Kasama dyan, no? Oh, thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Nakakainis yung nakaabang. Nakakainis yung may nakaabang doon.
Dapat dito mo eh. Ano ba? Chicken Negroni.
Wow. Ako earn ice latte.
I learned to love myself.
This year, I'm grateful for prioritizing my health and being PCOS free.
2025 was all about our wedding preparations, and I'm grateful that after this year, I'm gonna be married to the love of my life.
Porque kundi.
I'm happy to have spent more time with my family and friends, prioritize my health, my mental health as well, and and plan our wedding, which I'm really excited about. So next year, I'm really excited to get married.
This year, I lost 30 pounds and my sanity, but still alive. 2026 is mine.
This year I learned to prioritize myself and prioritize everything that I love the most.
This 2025, I'm so grateful for learning a healthy lifestyle and also gaining a new side of confidence. And I'm looking forward to playing more golf next year with you and my other friends.
This 2025 has been the best year yet. I'm so happy that I get to spend the rest of my life with the love of my life. Oh my God. I'll hold the mic because I'm supportive.
So more candles because there's a lot to be thankful for. It's a new work. So I got engaged and then I got married to the love of my life. And this 2026, I'm excited to celebrate more and move to the next chapter of our life abroad in Spain.
Yes! Vamanos! Shouldering!
This 2025, I've learned how to prioritize my mental health and my well-being.
Pero pa!
One. We'll start one. Start.
Tapos, 1.
Nanalo! 4,000! Ang galing mag-gold! 3,500!
And then pay on your own. First prize!
May paraffol! Wow!
Casey!
Marian! Grabe naman!
Ken Mat! Ken Mat!
Ba't ganun? Ang kilig nakita ko ah! Gabi na, naging bato pa!
This bracelet
Hype knife! Wow! Wow! Sana naman!
Picture with the prize.
With the spot!
Price with the price!
Deserve
Wow!
Deserve.
Thank you.
Thank you, the sponsors!
Shopping.
Katsabi na! Guys, time check. It is 3 a.m. Kakauwi ko lang. And in fairness naman sa akin, nakaligo pa ako. But I'm just so happy to have spent Christmas with my friends again this year. Itong mga friends kong to, sobrang tagal ko ng kaibigan. As in, sabi mo ng more than 20 years? Tama ba? Yeah, parang kasi kanina ina-assess namin kung ilang years na kami magkakaibigan. Parang we stopped counting nung 10 years. So kapag meron kami mga pinupost sa IG, laging 10 plus years. We've been friends for 10 plus years. Parang pangit na English ko dun. But yes, I'm really grateful for my low-key friendships. Now, I'm gonna rest. But I have to wake up early tomorrow. I mean later kasi meron na naman tayong ganap. Sobrang busy kasi 3 yung ganap natin. Sige. At talaga nag-spill pa ako. So, good night guys. And tatry ko mag-vlog uli later. Bye! Hi guys! Parang wala akong voice Anyway, canceled na naman po ang birthday ni Maya. Ang tagal na ng birthday niya kasi lagi siyang may sakit or laging nauudlot kasi may nangyayaring kakaiba. May balat ata sa puwet yun. Anyway, we're still gonna celebrate my dad's birthday. It's his 75th birthday, so we're just gonna have lunch. Dala ko na yung request niyang kombucha. And meron din tayong mga pag-gift sa kanya. Ellie doesn't like my new hair though. Happy 75th birthday tayo. Congrats! Oy, at the cake. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, family.
Love you, Papa Lo.
Love you.
Even if you hurt my hair.
I like your hair. Thank you. But I like the other one.
Wow, what's this?
Hot compress, pwede mo lagay sa tiyan mo.
Talaga?
Pag masakit tiyan mo. Or kahit saan. Ima-microwave mo lang. Guys, we finished our meeting. Ang tagal ng meeting natin. Gano'ng katagal yun?
3 hours and
3
30
hours?
minutes.
But ang saya kasi lahat ay naganap lang dito sa Shangri-La. So ngayon uwi na tayo kasi gusto ko na muna matulog before our Christmas party.
Grabe, 6 hours na tayo dito.
Guys, kaya pa ba ng bag ko?
Tara, bilan kita ng bag.
Wow, apese pa naman to. Apese!
Tara, palitan natin.
Libre mo ako? Whoa, guys, we are back in the condo. Grabe, ang tagal namin sa mall. Pero very productive yung meeting. Ang dami namin na cover for the wedding, which is good. And nag-lunch din ako with my family. So, yan. Happy birthday sa aking tatay. Narealize ko ang hirap mag-lock in Itong 3 tub ng Kurimo ice cream ay naubos ko in 2 days. 2 days lang? Anyway, puro kain. We also have some Manila croissants. Oh, looks good Wow, ano kayang uunahin natin? Parang sarap nito. May cheese. Parang ensaymada. Guys, we're now here in Podium.
Yes, we're here, and I'm finally seeing the street.
Parang Eiffel Tower. Pero nagsasparkle siya the whole time.
I love the red ribbon.
Diba guys, ang ganda? It's sparkly. Anyway, dito tayo mag-Christmas dinner sa may Lazy Susie. So we're just waiting for our friends. Grabe, iba ata ang mindset ng mga Pinoy ngayon kasi walang traffic, no? Parang lahat kami in-expect namin na magiging crazy traffic. Pero in fairness, wala. At ang daming parking. So, ang saya. Sipit Labato. Ganda, parang Pinterest.
Mula sa Manda.
Mula dito sa Manix House.
May pataya, may
Gift giving na, gift giving. Hirap.
Ay, ito muna kami 3. Game.
Okay na lang.
Hindi ko gets.
Bataya! Diba?
Hindi mo pa-turn na.
Ay, sino ba?
Ba't ang bigla niya hinu?
Gano'n ba na? Ayan!
Wow!
May preso pa?
Wow, Mariba Descu!
Oh my gosh! Oh, next!
Finish na! What's this? Pro ba yun? Wow! Hoarder, may hoarder dito! Nag-hoard! 2, 3! Uy, pwede daw dalawa.
Ano ba ito?
Ay, wala.
Bakit nalalaki?
Grabe si Miss Doof!
Game na? 1, 2, 3.
Wow! Wow!
Hindi ka talaga!
Guys, hindi na yung ilagay.
Maliit muna.
Ay, maliit! Muna?
Isa lang?
Dalawa. Sige, isa lang to. 1, 2.
Ay, love!
Wow!
Okay.
Wow!
1, 2.
Wow! 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 Wow, ang ganda!
Nasa Japan to. Beautiful na to.
I love!
Thank you!
Yan kami dyan, tingkatlo.
O, isa lang.
Nakaliwa na yung ginawa ko eh.
Uy, kasi hindi kayo babagsak kasi baka mabasa.
Ay!
Nako, feeling ko ano
Babasagin?
to?
Game na. 1, 2, 3.
Ano yan?
Oh my God!
Wow! Andun siya sa event eh.
Meron ka na. O, game. 1, 2, 3.
I need!
Pwede pa isa, pwede pa!
May isa pa.
I need! Thank you, Lord!
Sabog to?
Guys, baka ma-underwhelm kayo.
Mag-ano tayo? Ay!
1.
Dapat may isang clip na walang kukuha.
Ate, kanina pa ako
Ang dami chika.
1, 2, 3! Kahit ilan?
Panalo na tayo dyan. Trentahin!
3!
Parang kailangan
0. Yung phone niyo kung gusto niyo mag-picture.
Try nyo! Wow!
3, go! Wow! 1, 2, 3.
Grabe, manduko ng sakit!
1, 2, 3, go! Oh my God, Ovaltine!
Oh my God, childhood!
Nakatayo talaga.
Future travel natin. Isa naman tayo. Tayo rito. Trentahin!
Ay, may card?
Wow, may letter. Personalized card.
No way!
What?
No way!
Wow! Oh, I love this.
Peppermint siya. Wow!
Wow!
Kasha dito yan.
Tama.
Wow!
Wait lang.
Thank you. Oh my God!
Hey! Ay na!
Nakabidyo na.
May pabids.
Tumitibok ba? Ugat?
May ugat pa yan. Paltos.
Laps muna ako.
First question. Sinong sikat na komedyante na ang totoong pangalan ay Vincent Oichoco? A. Lassie. B. Pooh. C. Petit. Or D. Divine Tetay. Go!
Actually,
Yan!
di ba yung tetay?
Oh, Steve! Oh.
Petit.
Petit correct! Second question. Ano ang pangalan ng banda na kumanta ng Sasakyan Kita sa lahat ng gusto mo? A. K and the Boxers. B. K and the Dancers. C. Gladys and the Boxers. Or D. Petit.
Aching! I just have... Oh, A! K and the Boxers!
Ha?
K and the Boxers!
C.
Gladys!
Gladys and the Boxers!
Correct!
Ang ating winner ay si Tao!
Dapat amo naman!
Abon, abon! At dahil Seasons of Giving, lahat sa mga sumali may tig 200.
Yaman!
Pinakatagalan na nalot si Jess.
I-set up your, akin na, your.
Wow!
1, 2, 3, start!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ilagay nyo na yung names nyo dyan.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mary! Chris! Ang dami na. Mas! Me!
Ba't wala?
Chris! Merry Christmas! Head, shoulders! Hindi naman niya pa
C-E-I-V.
Mali!
Wow. Good morning, guys! Guys, nag-overnight na kami dito.
Time check.
Slumber party!
Yay!
Yeah. So, nag-order na kami ng breakfast.
Parang hindi na kailangan sa kanila.
4 p.m. Di pa kami umuwi. At wala pa kaming ligo. Yun yung buko, waxy na.
Ang next time check is 4 a.m.
Ito lang naligo, oh. Umuwi pa siya at bumalik.
Okay, naligo din ako.
So, parang ang kakapal nung laway.
Merry Christmas! Mula dito.
Late na kami natapos kagabi. So, pagagising, kumain agad kami, nagpa-deliver kami ng food. Nanood na kami ng Home Alone 1 and 2. So, alam niyo naman pag Pasko, lagi kong pinapanood yan. So, ngayon we're just walking to a nearby... Saan ba tayo pupunta? Kain tayo ng Kansi. And buti na lang may baon akong shorts. Kansi.
Mga comments, so hindi mo kayo naligo? Ipapaano nyo sa amin isa-isa? Kung may
Hi guys! We are back in the condo after being gone for 24 hours. Nang walang ligo-ligo, parang ang kapal na ng laway ko. Ang lagkit na ng brief ko. Yeah. TMI. But I had fun with our friends. And yun talaga ang masaya for me pag holidays. Parang wala masyadong iniisip. Relax lang, bonding. So, ngayon, ang plano ko is maligo. Hi guys! I feel so refreshed because nakaligo na tayo. Look at this! This is from Ginger. Alam niyo naman, anything Christmas ay gusto ko. Parang maganda to na Christmas tree. I mean, para sa mga condo. Kasi hindi ko pa kaya maglagay ng Christmas tree dito. Like a full-blown Christmas tree. Kasi wala tayong space. At kung nakikita nyo lang ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo. Wait. Nagpapack din kami ng mga Christmas gifts for our cousins, family, friends.
Family!
Family is love! There is the situation. Also, thank you so much, Hallmark, for always sending us mga paper bags. And we also got some gifts from Mont Blanc. Thank you, guys! Ang ganda ng packaging, love. Okay. I don't wanna ruin it.
Oh my God, bro!
That's so nice! Whoa! Wow, calligraphy pa talaga. Thank you for your support for the past year. This festive season, let the spirit of travel and the timeless art of writing inspire your gifting. Whoa! Is this a calligraphy pen? I think I got my first Mont Blanc pen this year. Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh! It's a stamp! We can use this for the wedding invites. Thank you, Mont Blanc.
Are you ready for this?
Gift ng rich boys. You open it. I think maybe this is for you.
Perfumery. Ooh, I've never had
Whoa!
a perfume from Van Cleef, maybe.
Van Cleef?
Wow.
Social.
Thank you so much. Ooh.
Wow. What
What's
the?
this? Don't tell me it's like a chocolate na ano.
Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Wow! Thank you, Jacob and
Thank you so
Kate
much,
of Rich
Jacob and
Boys.
Kate.
Grabe. Last year, ang gift nila sa amin is Diptyque na perfume na
Yeah.
hanggang ngayon ay ginagamit pa rin namin. Thank you, guys. We love you.
Oh, thank you so much and congratulations on the successful year. I want to smell one.
And they also sent us their new collection.
Oh, wow.
Maybe. I think this is their Christmas collection. Whoa! Okay, meron na akong suot sa Pasko.
Oh, ang bango!
Really? Wow.
Wow.
We also got the gift from Hezi. Grabe, Hezi, bigyan niya lang ng gift sa akin. Saan pa siya galing?
Sa Thailand o sa Japan?
What the? Thank you, Hezi. Wow. Si Petit.
Ah, wow.
Oh.
Truffle. Let's eat.
Wow. You're the best, Hezi.
Thank you.
I like my outfit today. This is from East Lane Studio. This is a local brand. I also got the green and blue version of this. So, meron silang bagong color. So, I got it. Parang na-miss ko rin suotin tong Carl Jan Cruz pants natin. But anyway, today is going to be a Christmas/year-ender date with Angelique. Kasi every year ginagawa namin yan. Usually, dinner namin ginagawa yan. Pero today, lunch. Para maiba naman, di ba? And para marami pa kami ma-accomplish today kasi kulang pa kami ng mga Christmas gifts. Magtatapos lang kami ng mga kailangan naming bilhin before we part ways sa Pasko. And then, meron din kaming spa reservation at 6 p.m. So, parang yun talaga ang hinahanap ng katawan ko ngayong holiday season. So, excited na rin ako magpamasahe. Let's go!
Yay! Coffee muna tayo sa St. Anne.
Baka pwedeng mag-ano.
Pasok! Hi! Afternoon! Thank you! Guys, we're finally trying Hikiniku. Hikiniku! Hikiniku! What if nahulog ko to? So, bawat order mo is 850 pesos, tatlong burger patties na. And each burger patty, you'll eat it differently. Kasi meron silang, hindi naman rules, pero parang suggestion on how you enjoy Hikiniku. Hikiniku! Hikiniku! So, may kasama na siyang miso soup, unlimited rice, tatlong burger patties, and raw egg. Ang sarap din ng ginger ale nila. As in, parang feeling ko gumanda yung boses ko. Okay, let's try it.
Mo daw sa taas ng rice para mag-soak yung
Okay. Thank you, Lord. Guys, ang juicy. At ang sarap din ng rice. Parang kaya ko pa ng 5. Wow. So yung second, lalagyan mo ng sauce. This sauce. And this. Yeah, with the radish. Put on top, right?
Yeah, add grated radish. One, two, three.
Ito sauce.
You wanna watch it first?
Ooh.
Sabi you can dip the meat and beat it.
Okay, sayang yung white.
I know. Did you mix it?
Yeah. So far, masarap siya at parang kaya ko pa. Ang kasama lang na egg ay isa. So, mag-additional tayo ng egg pa for 65 pesos. Yung patty, para mga 200, 230 per piece. Ganun. Para nauga ka sa angle.
Yeah. Hindi, para naugaw kasi para may mamakitingin sila.
Guys, that was so good. Thank you, love. Send mo ako next libre.
Coffee? Cherry.
So that is our last Hikiniku.
For the year.
So next up, Yakiniku.
Hello.
Hikiniku! Dito tayo sa Uptown. Marami pa tayong pupuntahan kasi meron din mga bilin yung ate ko sa akin ng mga pagregalo. Hindi tayo masyado napupunta dito sa Uptown. Guys, hindi ko na-review to ah. May pa-anghel. Para tayo nasa langit. Family's love! Hello mga anghel! Saan tayo punta?
Tara na.
She's a vibe. Oh.
I know, that's so cool. And it's washable now.
Crayons? Guys, nagulat ako dito. Oh! Nakadilat. Nagtutulog-tulugan. Mahirap pala maghanap ng gifts para sa mga kids.
Buti na lang wala.
Hi guys! So we're now here at the spa. Ang bobo ko, naiwan ko yung GC. Achichi! So, okay lang kasi dami iniisip eh. Hindi ko kaya. I can't do this alone. I need an assistant. Feeling. Anyway, it's time for our much-deserved massage. So I'm really excited. So good night and I'll see you guys later. Lakas mo umilik.
Baliw, ikaw yung
Parang the morning na yun. Parang morning na siya.
Ah, talaga?
Pero nung gabi, pinag-usapan namin yung year of this.
Dal-dal. For Ellie.
Gaan lang naman.
Gifts. For the whole family. Thank you. Maya. Let's pick up my pants. Where's my pants? Tika-tika na po yun.
Tama ka na?
The embutido. The embutido is safe. Hi guys, we just finished distributing our gifts sa mga receptionist, guards, housekeeping. Actually, kaya na ako nag-spill kasi gusto ko pakita yung biceps ko. Parang lumaki. Hi guys! I'm back in the condo. Hindi ako makain dito sa table kasi nagsusulat ako ng mga note cards para sa ating gift giving later. Oh, ano, Noche Buena na pala tonight. And galing akong Pampanga. Doon na lang ako natulog kay Angelique kasi parang traffic pa kagabi. So, umalis na lang ako ng mga 9 a.m. kanina. Tapos sakto kasi dumating na rin dito ng mga around 11 a.m. yung in-order ko na golden catch. Yung, ewan ko kung nakikita yun sa Instagram, pero yun yung nililipad pa nila from Norway ng mga salmon. Nung una, hindi pa ako makakuha ng slot kasi parang, ewan ko, naghahanap ba sila ng flight from Norway to the Philippines para sa mga isdang yun. But, yun, every year yun ang ambag ko sa Christmas party. I mean, sa Noche Buena naming family. Wow. The sun. Tapos, nag-order na rin ako ng tiramisu. Alam niyo na yung favorite kong tiramisu para matry ng pamilya ko. Anyway, I'm just having chicken Alfredo from Yellow Cab. Kasi gutom na ako, hindi ko na kaya maghintay para mamaya. Sabi ko nga kay Angelique kagabi, parang, bakit ba ako ganito? Like, masyado ba akong bibo? Kasi nag-book ako ng Airbnb for the family after Christmas. 3 days yun. Tapos, kasi nag-pack pa ako ng gifts. Sabi niya, kahit wag ka na magregalo kasi yun na yung gift mo, yung Airbnb stay na yun. Parang, tapos mamaya pa ako pa yung mag-organize ng mga games. Tapos ako rin nag-ready ng mga prizes. Ewan ko masyado kong bibo, pero parang feeling ko kasi, ngayon na adult na ako, parang gusto ko maging memorable yung Christmas. Hindi lang sa mga adults, pero mostly sa mga kids talaga. Kasi ako, maganda yung memories ko ng Pasko nung bata ko. Parang kahit simple na handaan lang, or basta yung feeling na meron ako natatanggap for Christmas ay nagiging core memory. And I wanna do the same thing sa new generation, ang feeling. I'm just gonna finish eating and then I'm gonna pack all the gifts. Lagay ko na sila sa kotse, tapos pumunta na tayo sa Laguna.
Taking yourself into us. Need help?
Can you do it, Luni? Oh, I think she's crashing. Nag-crash out. Nag-crash out. Oh my God, she's a performer.
Promise to everyone. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Wow. Wow. Wow, perfect. Oh, Luna sa card.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
That's fine, that's fine.
Magbigay na tayo ng tsinelas. Mama. First tsinelas.
Wow!
This is yours. Woo! Who chose this? You?
Saan pala dapat yung kanina?
Bagay sa'yo, Ate Nins. Yun ang requirement. Sure. Kuya Pat. Tama ba? Yun yun. Dayan. Echo. Okay, this one. Ashley. Oh, next one, my stud. Is this yours? Ashton. 2 gifts for Ellie. Wow.
Okay lang.
Uy, ang ingay mo. Wow, do you like it? What did you say?
Thank you! Thank you!
Christmas! Oh.
It's a princess dress.
Wow. Little D. Oh. Yeah.
What do you want? What design do you want? And you also have...
Ito, sino may gusto? Bago rin to.
Wow! Okay, fine! Wow! Ganda.
Sure, kayo, diba?
Cute. Cute.
I don't know who wants this.
Wow!
Korean Rich. Wants it, may kasamang bag.
Wow! Perfect.
Try it.
Color nung sa'yo. Nice.
Hoodie.
Grabe. Anong brand?
Rich Boys.
Rich
Ashton.
Boys.
Try.
Ashton.
Okay, next.
Yan na.
Beyond the Vines bag.
Black.
Well, para Ashley.
Naguguluhan ako. Okay.
Ellie, I have a gift for you.
Anong gusto mo?
Ellie and Luna. Close your eyes.
Administration.
Ay, tama ba? Open! Wow! Open! Uy, hindi yan sa'yo. 48 sa'yo. Maya. Maya, it's Xiaolong Bao!
OMG, thank you, mother.
I like this. Bibili ako ng case talaga. Wow. Hello everyone! Tayo ay magpipickleball. Init Woo! Oh, to be a passenger princess! Let's just leave her. We're going to Tagaytay! We're gonna have some bulalo! Kapag waiting for you na.
Working ka na rin. Gatas ka pa sa lagi.
Hi! Let me in.
Pa-classic yan. Sunshine. Daming sa... Entering the new year be like...
Kailangan ng mga bilog. Fruit salad number 4. Perfect.
What's a perfect fruit salad?
Not too hot, not too cold.
Hi.
Not in the freezer.
Hot or cold?
Perfect temperature with peaches and cherries on top.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Boxers or briefs?
Nakamas talaga. We're back in the condo. And ganito pala talaga ang Christmas pag trentahin ka na or adulting na. The liquid sosa is out. And it's general cleaning day. Ito ko sa inyo, ang dami ko nang nilet go dyan. Yung mga gamit ko sa ilalim ng sink ko, mga tinatago kong insulated bag, mga PR kit, kung ano-ano, yung mga expired na pagkain, mga seasoning, yun ang ginagawa ko. At yung mga hinuhoard ko ng mga paper bags, i-let go na rin natin. And after nito, maglinis naman tayo ng CR. So today is going to be general cleaning day, but kailangan ko to gawin before the year ends. Ang reward ko is Stranger Things Season 5 Volume 2. Nakaka-release lang today. So I'm really excited. Nag-book din ako ng F45 class ng mga 6 PM. So I have 2 hours to clean. Kanina pa ako nandito para mga 3 hours na ata akong naglilinis dito. Yes, that is the plan for today. But anyway, I had such a great time with my family. Ang saya talaga pa rin ng family time. So, yan ang nililook forward ko talaga pag Pasko. So, tara na maglinis.